Okay, art. We call this one as I create my pet. Okay, I create my pet. So, what shall we do? Okay, si Kuya Darius, nag-create na si Kuya Darius of pet. Right? Okay, so Kuya Darius, proud kayo si Kuya Darius to present his artwork. At para maisa ni masterpiece na siya ni Kuya Darius. Okay, Kuya Darius, show it to the kids. Okay, so that is a rabbit. My God, it's so beautiful. Okay, so like this one, create anything from your own, anything animal, like your animal. Okay, so that will be your pet. So this time, kids, use your imagination and creativity because it is said now that the kids have the biggest way of imagining things. Okay, I mean the widest way of imagining.